Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with friends. Oh, oops. Oh, our toys fell over. Peppa Pig and Candy Cat. What is this, tiny fans? It's a ladybug. It's not just any ladybug, it's a wind-up ladybug. Let's see if it works. Oh, where did it go? And we have a fun storybook about the wind-up ladybird. Here's the story, Wind-Up Ladybird. Candy Cat and Peppa, what other insects do you see on the cover of the book? Oh, I see some green caterpillars up here. And I see a beautiful blue butterfly. Bzzz, and there's a bumblebee. The little ladybird has been to see her friends. But it's time for her to go home now. Follow her as she travels around the garden. Each page has a track for the ladybug. Oh, hello, kitten. And look, it says start here with a picture of the ladybug. Uh-oh, I think Po might try and chase the ladybug flying around the garden. Let's wind our ladybug up and put her on the track. Look out, Po, your paw is going to be in the way. Whee! On the way, she spotted some blue flowers and a purple bug. Can you? Blue flowers. Where are the blue flowers? I see some purple flowers. There's the blue flowers. And do you spot the purple bug? The purple bug is down here. Here it says start here again with the ladybug. Let's wind the ladybug up. She saw a hungry caterpillar and oh, she fell in the hole. Let's try this again and hopefully she doesn't go off the track this time. She might need a little help. She saw a hungry caterpillar and a little orange butterfly. Can you see them? There's the little hungry caterpillar. It's snacking on some lettuce or maybe it's cabbage. And where is the orange butterfly? There it is. It's on the little stake that says lettuce. Right there. Ooh, it's time to explore the pond. The ladybird scuttles beside the pond. Start here. Look out! She saw 3 spotty bugs and a snail. Can you see them? I see the 3 spotty bugs. They're on a rock. And where is the snail? Oh, careful. The snail is up here on a piece of grass. And these are cattails. Oh dear, one of the kittens is sitting in the book. Silly kitten, Laa, can you please scoot along so we can turn the page? Oh, she hit the ladybug with her tail. Let's turn the page. Thank you. Okay, do you see the start here? Oh, you need to move your head. It's right up here. Look out, kitten. Let's wind up the ladybug. Oh, you have to move. She spotted a sleepy spider and a little yellow beetle. Can you? You need to move, kitten. Oh dear, silly kittens. There's the sleepy spider on a spider web. Oh, don't bite the ladybug. Don't bite the ladybug. Here, let's go over here. Whee! I think I've spotted the yellow beetle right up here in the right corner. Now we need to turn the page again. Oh, guess what? That's the end of our story, tiny fans. The ladybug has explored the entire garden. And the silly kittens are being rambunctious again. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Don't bite Peppa's head. Oh, that's Peppa's hat. It's time to say goodbye because the kittens are just getting too rambunctious. Aw, silly kittens. I think Laa still wants to play, but Po is ready for a nap. Thank you for exploring the garden with us today and the ladybug. We had so much fun, didn't we, kittens? And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.